Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can swiftly and effectively fix Capital One auto loan payment issues without stress or confusion. Welcome to our channel. If you're facing issues with your Capital One auto loan payments, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through every essential step to resolve payment problems smoothly and get your finances back on track. First, identify the specific issue. Are you struggling with missed payments, unexpected fees, or problems in payment processing? Knowing precisely what's wrong will help you address it effectively. Start by logging into your Capital One account online or via the mobile app. Review your loan details, recent transactions, and payment history. Check for any alerts or notifications from Capital One that might explain the problem. If you find a missed payment, start by setting up a payment plan. Capital One usually offers options to reschedule or defer a payment. Depending on your situation, contact their customer service directly through their official number or message center. Explain your difficulty and request details on available assistance plans. They can often provide temporary relief, such as a payment deferral hardship program or modified payment schedule. If payment amounts are incorrect or fees seem wrong, dispute these charges. Promptly gather all supporting documentation, including bank statements and loan agreements. Present your case clearly with Capital One's customer support. They may correct errors once verified. Always make payments through official channels to avoid processing mistakes. Use the Capital One app, website, or authorized payment partners. Never use third-party services without confirming they're legitimate. If technical issues prevent you from making payments, like website errors or app crashes, report these problems. Immediately use the contact options on the Capital One platform or call customer service. Escalate the issue if necessary, and ask for a timeline on resolution to prevent future complications. Consider setting up automatic payments. This will ensure your loan payments are made on time every month, minimizing the risk of missed payments. Also, monitor your account regularly for any discrepancies or changes in terms. Lastly, if you need more personalized financial advice, Capital One offers resources and tools you can utilize for budgeting and loan management. Maintaining clear communication with your lender during difficulties can often result in flexible solutions and less stress. Remember, patience and persistence are key when resolving loan payment problems. Stay proactive and organized throughout the process, so you're never caught off guard, and don't hesitate to reach out directly to Capital One representatives. They're there to help you successfully navigate these challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more practical financial tips and guidance.